how to buy crypto. Log in to the VIX exchange. Get it free $10 to your account. It's very simple to register. You just need only your email. You don't need passport or KYC. Press it, assets. Use my promo for get it free $10 to your account. Then press the deposit. You can send it money from any wallet, any exchange directly to your account. For example, if you want to send USDT, just press use USDT, press that network what you need, for example, BNB. Copy your address and send it. It's very, very, very cheap. The second, how you can deposit, use the P2P trading. It's zero fees. And you can buy the USDT from Apple Pay, Google Pay, Pix, or SEPA. Just press it how much you want USDT. Press the method, how you want to buy. It's bank transfer and other things. Choose it and get the USDT. Then press it trade. For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin, just press here, write it BTC USDT, press it market and buy and set the buy Bitcoin. Very simple. And you will have Bitcoin in your amount. If you want to sell Bitcoin, it's the same. Just press it sell, market, the maximum, and sell Bitcoin. In this exchange, you can get very good percent, up to 100% per year for new user. How it's work? Press here and you can find for new users, you can put amount 200 USDT for 100% per year. It's the best what you can find in the internet. In this exchange, you can trade without passport from any country in the world. The smallest fee, the maximum liquidity. Just try and use my promo in the options. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting things in crypto. Subscribe to my channel and please subscribe to your